The open leg rocker is a fun but tricky Pilates exercise that poses unique challenges to both people who are flexible and people who are really tight. We are going to be talking about both of those today, as well as some variations, beginner to advanced. Let's get on the mat. So to start out, I just want to show you kind of a baseline way to get started with this exercise. So hands go through the legs, holding the tops of the ankles, and then you're going to pick your feet up. So if you've done rolling like a ball, the shape is similar. And then the legs extend out to a V shape. You balance for a moment, and then you roll back to the shoulders and up to the booty. So this is harder than it looks. We're going to talk over some of the challenges that you might be running into with this exercise and how you can get around them. So this first variation is for beginners, but I actually really recommend it for everybody, especially if you haven't done it before. Holding both legs in the start position, try just extending one leg at a time and notice the distance at which your leg moves away from your body. So if you find that it's hard to straighten your leg and your low back really slumps and slouches here, you can't keep your chest lifted, it's okay to hold behind the thighs here. And that's probably going to feel a lot better if you know you have tightness in your hamstrings or low back. If you have the opposite problem where your leg goes too far away from you and you feel like you're going to tip over, then go ahead and aim the leg a little higher than you think. Don't let your chin dip, really firm your core and lift your chest. Stretch the hamstring and the torso at the same time. So this is easier to practice with one leg. And then once you've got it, you can go to two legs and just practice balancing up and down. Same thing, hands behind the thighs works great too. So once you've got the balance, let's talk about the roll. You want to dip your chin into your chest, round the spine to go back and up smoothly. And it's okay if you don't make it up all at once. It's better to roll like a little stuck turtle than to force your way back up. Now, if you are flexible, you might find that your legs kind of collapse closer to the torso. I'm exaggerating a bit here, but see how my legs move closer to my body when I'm at the back of my roll and then I push them away to come up? This is going to be really challenging for you to get a smooth roll, and it's not going to feel very good on your legs or low back. So it's really important, my flexible friends, to keep equidistance, the whole straight arm length between your legs and your shoulders. Yeah, so you can see I'm keeping my arms locked straight. And again, if it takes me a couple more times to get up, that's fine with me. Now, if you're really flexible and you've been doing this for a while, a challenging variation, one that you can see I'm not quite ready for, is to flex the feet and grab the toes. Nice. The other thing you can do, of course, is hold the legs together, a little closed leg rocker variation, and try that to challenge yourself as well if you've been doing this for a while and want to mix it up. Now, I want to talk about one more challenge we sometimes face here at the end of the video because I see it with all levels, and that is coming too far forward, gunk, and collapsing out of the exercise. So we want to make sure that when we come up, we lengthen and lift, and if you need to catch yourself, it's okay to bend the knees and do a little balance check. And then when we do set the legs down, of course, we set them down with beautiful control, and we pick them up in the same way. So no matter what level you are, but especially my advanced folks, that is how you are going to level up this exercise. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial with me. I hope you got some fun info to take with you back to your mat. And of course, you can come back to this again and again to keep improving your open leg rocker exercise. If you want to do more workouts with me, I offer full-length online mat classes. I've linked to those in the description below. And if you enjoy free videos like this one, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.